Welcome to the Goodness Center. Since 2003, Dr. Kelly Goodness and her associates have worked in the center's inviting atmosphere that's designed for the comfort of our clients. We're a full-service practice providing in-depth therapy for you and your family, as well as psychological assessments for employment and educational purposes.
We help folks with all sorts of problems here. We do a lot of parent education. A lot of times the problems with teenagers or small children can be fixed by helping the parents know how to deal with the children better or just a little differently. You can make huge changes in a kid's life by helping the parents. We see teenagers that are having drug or alcohol problems. We see adults that have drug and alcohol problems. People with anxiety problems, depression, those that are just trying to make a different life choice, whether they're struggling with career issues or whether they want to stay in their marriage or do something different. Just any kind of big life decisions, they may come here to get some help and some direction and how do they go about solving that problem. We are increasingly seeing folks with pervasive developmental disorders, which is Asperger's and autism, the autistic spectrum disorders. The pet therapy that we have here is particularly helpful with that. Having a dog in the room that's trained, a therapeutic pet therapy dog, really can help to draw out someone that has some of the social skill problems that someone with autism might have.
This is Zoe. She is a certified therapy dog, and she's been working here with me for about 4 years. I do therapy with her, and then I also do therapy without her. It just depends on what the client needs and what we're treating for them. And she helps out in a lot of ways. She provides something soft to touch and to pet whenever clients have to talk about things that are difficult and more emotionally challenging in session. She also provides a little bit of a distraction, again, to help people say the things that they need to say in therapy.
Very best thing about my job is seeing the different people when they start, especially in therapy. When you see them and they happen to be stuck or in a position where they can't move and they feel like they have no control over their life. However, when you start seeing them after several sessions of their therapy, their whole demeanor, everything about them, that seem to be a little bit more in control and are actually very happy about the direction their life has taken.
Have you considered contacting a therapist in the past but were afraid it wasn't normal? At the Goodness Center, we take our work seriously, working with you confidentially and professionally, helping you overcome obstacles and navigate through the transitions in your life.
And one of the things that I think is really important is that in therapy, the relationship between the therapist and the client, I think, is the most important part. And in order for people to work through, they're able to work through it within the therapeutic process, and that is where I get my energy. And that's what I love about my job.
At some time in our lives, we need some help. If your life is at a standstill, no matter what the problem may be, there's no better place to reach out than the Goodness Center.
The thing that gives me the most personal satisfaction is just being able to see people change and grow. I think everybody has capacity to reach their fullest potential in life, and being able to help them with that, whether it's identifying roadblocks or just giving them an outlet to vent, I think that helps people a lot, and just to see them change and to grow is really rewarding for me.
The most rewarding thing about working with clients here is getting to see over time some of the positive changes that happen. That's rewarding to see that, and to see that they get past some of these bumps and progress.
Call today and schedule your consultation at the Goodness Center. Get on the path toward the rich, rewarding life that you deserve.